In v16, we are shipping some security changes, which are architectural changes in how we do query building, and a lot of other smaller changes also.
So our original way of generating DB queries was developers could pass almost anything, like how they would generate a normal SQL query, and it would just work. But then because of that flexibility, there were a lot of potential security issues. Like a few years ago, I think Gavin, an ex-employee, had started work on an alternative for this called Query Builder. So that was basically that was using another library called Pipeka that was much more secure, like for generating queries. So then in the last year, Faris improved that a lot. He brought it up, like implemented all the missing features. So then now in the last few weeks, we've implemented that. So majority of the Frappe DB calls, like most developers will be familiar with frappe.getlist. So that's one of the most used ones. So now that uses this query builders of our old implementation. So it's much more robust. There'll be much less potential of security issues through this.
Security is one area I think we received quite a lot of community contributions, and that too very deep technical contributions.
Community is still pretty active in security work. So like he mentioned, Gavin still sometimes reviews things. Rafael and Sagar are still involved in improving security of our new code that gets merged. For v16, we are specifically also working with Resilient Tech, who is auditing all the new changes, and hopefully this will be the most secure release ever. We said the same thing with v15, but this time it really is much secure.
And like with every version, the bar is going to be set higher. So every version is going to be the most secure one. And that's fine.